All rise and like, subscribe, and bang the gavel, baby.
Welcome to a little bit of a test, something that we want to see if you guys like. So it is very important after this to like it and comment below and let us know if you want some more of this. This is actually something that we just missed because, of course, we got a case live 5 days a week at 1 p.m. Myself, Creedence, and Mikey the Legend. We just missed this one today.
We did. If this makes you happy, let us know. You could be smiling like Lisa here, who is apparently very happy right
now. As Flusha told us, she was with him for a couple of days. Like I said, we just missed this, so let's check it out. Attitude doesn't go very far with Judge Porter. We'll just say that.
Who's obviously in a good mood right now.
Yeah.
All right. Isaiah. Isaiah, my name's Judge Porter. The law says
familiar name here on We Got a Case, right?
You must see a judge every
pretty sure we've
thereafter.
Seen Isaiah
this is your
before.
10-day hearing. You have the right to remain silent. You also have the right to an attorney, and your attorney Hamida Abdal Kalak is here. Good afternoon, Hamida. Good to see you.
Good to see you, Judge. Thank you.
All right.
Look at his mood. Isn't a great
mood. Previously found that probable cause.
Trent, be quiet.
May have engaged in delinquent conduct sufficient to warrant your
Trent.
initial detention. So we won't go into why you are here today. I'll note that you've been level 1 outstanding since St. Patrick's Day of this year.
Mazel tov.
A prior DPP for an accident, and you're now here on a new misdemeanor charge. Does she have a parent or guardian here today?
Yes,
Pardon?
I'm here.
Oh, good.
Oh,
Hey!
How are you, Judge?
I'm okay. Miss Sparks,
Yes,
where
sir.
is she getting the marijuana?
I don't know.
I wish I knew.
I believe it's the friends and things that she's hanging around.
The things.
The things.
Okay.
Where are the things?
Could I buy some pot from you?
Those things will get you every time.
Dude.
Silence.
Judge?
Anytime now, Judge.
Judge.
Yeah. Is it a Porter frame?
Hello, everyone.
Judge.
Uh-oh. Heavy breaths.
Uh-oh.
That's never good.
I prefer men.
You on drugs?
Have you had a chance to talk to your daughter while she's been in detention?
Yes, sir.
How have those phone conversations been going?
They've been going well.
I don't remember. I was high.
I mean, I can tell there's a difference from when, Isaiah first got there from where she is now, She
okay, explain what the difference is.
Catch me outside. How about that?
You know there's a difference.
Because when she first got there, like our first conversations was just like, I'm ready to come home and have you talked to my probation officer because I want to get out of here. Do more of
I love it here. This is great.
The reason that you're there. Do you understand, that if you continue to display this type of behavior that, you know what I'm saying, this is where you're going to be.
Okay, good stuff.
Have you learned your lesson? Do you understand the stipulations that are in place if you were to come home? Do you understand that I'm not going to continue to accept this behavior from you?
Stipulations are false count anywhere, Creed.
She agrees.
Okay. What about school?
I wouldn't say Isaiah have a problem with going to school.
Well,
but I did.
Skipping school.
I'm sorry?
She's been skipping school a bunch.
Okay, well, some of those days, I can honestly say was sick days. Honestly, even when the truancy, before the court thing and everything, the truancy man came there and I told him, I can say that some of those days, the sick days are days that she had to go to the
Gotta
doctor.
be out a lot for the truancy
But
officer
there
to
is
come to
an
your house.
incident that I called out myself.
Ain't know those were even real.
And called Mr. Wynn and told him about the day that Isaiah skipped school, which the school didn't call me and advised me that Isaiah left the campus.
Probably gave up.
Was not in dress code.
Dress code.
I'm very big on Isaiah's attendance. Isaiah had left home at one point, and Mr. Wynn knew about that as well. But Mr. Wynn and I knew, and I called the school as well. And hey, is Isaiah been going to school? And they told me she's been late a couple times, but she's been going to school.
How are we doing on restitution in the old case?
They never said anything about the restitution.
Look at Judge Porter's face.
Your Honor, if I may.
Yes, ma'am, Ms. Peters.
What'd you say?
There was an amount for restitution, but I think that the DA was trying to get something from the insurance company for the deductible.
Interesting case.
And weren't there also supervision fees related to that DPP?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah, $90.
And how much of that, let's say, go with $90. That's what Mom said. How much of that $90 has actually been paid since November?
0 point.
Okay, I don't think any of it has been paid, but I mean,
You would know.
it's an issue. I can pay Isaiah's $90.
How come it hadn't been paid before now?
You see these nails, Your Honor?
Okay, well, Judge, I lost my job. I'm a single mother of 5 kids. 5. So I'm playing catch
There's
up.
the $90
I
right
just
there.
started a new job.
Today.
At the paper
And
mill.
again, if the $90 is a big issue, I can take care of that payment here today. But I'm just getting back to where I need to be. So
please give me a break, Creed.
I don't like your attitude.
Well, you may, I understand that, but like I just felt like that was targeted.
Targeted, Creed.
Pretty sure he just kicked her.
She's gone. She was
Pretty
targeted.
sure she gone.
She was targeted to be kicked the hell out.
So, Kalak, what are your thoughts?
What's up, dog?
So I've been speaking with
dog?
Isaiah since she's been in detention.
Did he not just say what's up, dog?
I could have swore he did.
Excuse me for just a moment. Re-rack this.
What's up, dog? Kalak, what are your thoughts?
Yes, Judge. So I've been speaking with Isaiah since she's been in detention. And I feel like she really does understand what
Well,
she
we
is
see
done
that the
incorrectly
angry
and
apple
wants
doesn't
to-
fall far from the angry tree.
You know, she wants to return home. We talked a lot about that. Now, there's been some
I
incidents
wouldn't.
skipping school, but I just want to say that she's a bright girl. She's passing all of her classes, is my understanding, you know, when she's in school. The family's having a tough time right now, Judge. The grandmother just came home from the hospital, is in hospice care, and she's asking to see Isaiah. Isaiah has been on level 1, as you indicated.
Heartstrings.
The family went through mediation, Judge, which was, you know, suggested at the last hearing. They went through mediation, came to an agreement. You know, we're asking that you consider letting her go home.
Well,
Mom is asking for her to go home.
Good luck with all
and feels
that.
like,
Judge
she will
Porter,
supervise her and she'll be okay. Yeah.
he had like about 4 of those.
You are correct on many levels. Isaiah, your English grade is actually superb. Mr. Wynn forwarded me your grades, and your English grade is incredible. That's
106.
That's really good. I'm impressed. Now you need to work on some of your other grades, right? But to do that, you actually have to be in class. Okay. Hamida, with your permission, I'm going to ask Isaiah 2 questions. Isaiah, if I let you go home, do you promise me you will go to school?
Hello?
Isaiah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And do you promise me you will not use illegal drugs?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And will you come back to court when you're supposed to come back to court? I know that's 3 questions, but I hope will you come back to court when you're supposed to?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Isaiah, the reason I'm letting you go home today,
wow,
because you've been level 1 outstanding for actually 13 days now.
Good for her.
And in Judge Porter's eyes, that means you've earned this chance. And it's real important
Not
to
your
me
mother.
that you earn things in life, okay?
Don't be
But
like
you're
your
not just
mom.
getting them, but you earn them. And here's why. Yes, you proved to Judge Porter that you can do it. But more importantly, Isaiah, you've proven it to yourself that you can do this. You can follow the rules. You can do what you're supposed to. Now I need you to take what you've earned here today and carry that going forward. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to authorize her release on the electronic monitor. We'll see how things go.
Wow. How about that?
Eye and the house, Creed. What a roller coaster. A lot of good stuff there. Mom doing us no favors. Maybe we need to put mom in F-Pod for a little while. Maybe.
I am pretty sure with her that she's been on once or twice at the very least. And I think we felt pretty bad for her because she seemed very sweet and was kind of on the verge of crying and all that. But man, that's crazy. I mean, listen, Judge Porter very easily could have said, you know what? Your mama ain't ready for you to come home. You haven't taken care of the $90.
In spite of your mother, you get to go home.
I mean, that's that just shows a pretty cool side of Judge Porter, and I'm kind of surprised that she was let out. Actually, we didn't see that part. We didn't know that
good stuff
happened. So again, a little bit of a test. By the way, thank you to Carol Small who gave us a heads up that had happened. Just while we were live, it switched right out.
Yep, it was a good one. It was good. I'm glad we come back to this. If you guys would let us know what you think of these quick shorties like this, well, let's call this we got a case shorty. Think about letting us know if you want more of it. Until next time, please remember.